So before this video gets started, if you want a super easy way to make money right now, there's an app called Get Upside. They pay you money to upload a picture of your gas receipt every time you go to the gas station, you fill up gas. All you have to do is go to one of the gas stations in the app, take a picture of your receipt, and you'll get up to 25 cents back per gallon that you fill up. So I'm talking like a couple bucks back every single time you fill up gas. And if you use my link and code, you'll get an additional 15 cents back per gallon. So that means on the first time you fill up, you'll get up to 40 cents back per gallon. I use it, and you can redeem the cash for Amazon gift cards, Starbucks, Dunkin' Donuts, PayPal money, or just sent directly to your bank account, or even a check sent to your door. Yeah, even a check sent to you. But yeah, the app is called Get Upside. Please use the link. You will not regret it. Stop paying full price for gas. And yeah, you can start making money today. So use the link down below. Okay, now let's get on to the video. Hi, are you here for an Uber?
Yeah. Are you here for Gina?
Yeah, I am.
Really?
Yeah, come on in. You can get in.
Are you not gonna get the door for me?
No, this isn't.
Oh, whatever.
It's not what we're doing here. This is Uber.
Yeah, well, most people get the door for me.
Well, I don't use. I mean, are you? If you'll tip me $20, maybe I'll get the door for you.
Excuse me, I shouldn't have to tip you to get the door for me. You get the tip because you open the door for me.
It's not included in the service, so yeah.
It's fine. I mean, you drive for Uber. I'm sure you really do need tips, so makes sense.
I mean, yeah, we do rely on tips, but like,
I mean,
if I get everyone's door, then I mean,
what? You're just like a nice person, a gentleman.
I might make an extra $1 in tips if I.
Horrible. I know. So much effort. Ugh. I mean, like, so do you do anything besides Uber?
What do you mean?
Well, like, do you have like a real job?
What do you mean a real job? I'm an Uber driver.
That's your job? Your real job?
I'm working right now. What do you mean? This is my job. You think I do this for free, for fun?
No way. That explains why you wouldn't open the door for me. Of course you get a $20 tip to open a door. That sucks.
I don't need a $20 tip to open a door. I was just saying, like, I'm not gonna open the door for everyone. Is your seatbelt on? Can you put on your seatbelt?
It's kind of dirty. I don't really want to like.
Well, I just pulled over, and I'm not gonna keep driving until you.
Oh my god. Fine. I'll put on my seatbelt. Oh my gosh. It's like dirty. Couldn't you have brought a nicer car?
What do you mean?
Yeah, like a car that is nicer than this one.
What's wrong? This is a nice car.
This car is like old and dirty. I don't even want to touch the seatbelt.
You don't know what I had to go through to get this car. Your parents probably bought you your car, right?
Well,
I'm assuming.
Obviously. But I mean, I also have a real job, so.
What do you do? What's your job? What's your real job?
I'm a marketing expert on social media.
So you're, what, do you do TikTok or something?
Yeah, TikTok and Instagram. I have like 10,000 Instagram followers. Kind of a big deal.
How do you even make money doing that?
See, I had to literally sanitize my hands because this car is so filthy.
I'm sure your parents still pay for your rent.
I mean, yeah, but that's because I'm amazing. If I wanted a real job, though, to pay for my
Okay,
rent, I
honestly,
drive for Uber.
I'm just going to tell you, you can't tell people what to do for work if you don't even know the value of a real dollar.
I'm sorry, but you can't tell people.
And you can't tell people, oh, get a better car. You don't even work for money. You don't know what it's like to have to work a minimum wage job, save up money, and pay for your own car. You don't know what it's like. You probably just get everything given to you. I'm sorry I have to say it, but someone's got to tell you.
This is totally probably below a minimum wage job, so you can't even talk. This isn't even a real job, so I don't know why you're telling me about the value of a dollar.
What do you mean this isn't a real job?
It's not a real job. It's Uber.
It's a job. I'm getting paid money. You're paying for this ride, or probably your dad's paying, and I get that money.
Well, if you took it so seriously, then maybe you should be nicer to your Uber people.
I'm nice to nice people.
You know what? I should have ordered Uber Black. Like, this is...
Yeah,
this
you
is a
honestly
really annoying drive. Like, this car is dirty, it's black, but it's not nice, and you're annoying, and you're dirty, and honestly, it kind of smells in here.
You should have taken the bus.
I'm not gonna take the bus? Ew.
What's wrong
gross.
with the bus?
You know what, honestly, the bus probably, though, would be better than this Uber right now. I'm just saying.
You're saying the bus would be better than this car?
Yeah.
I just got this car detailed yesterday.
You're joking, right?
No, it's clean in here.
I mean, it's gross, and literally, I'm disgusted. I mean, what is this? What is this? Why is there a headrest on the floor? Why is there a headrest on the floor?
I took it off for my last passenger.
What is this?
What?
This is a Tupperware. Why is this in here? It's empty.
This is from my lunch.
It's not even lunchtime.
I can't afford to buy lunch, okay? I have to pack my own lunch.
This is disgusting. You shouldn't have your whole life in here.
You know what?
This is disgusting. Look at
I'm gonna pull over. I'm
trash.
sorry, but I'm not giving you a ride. This is way more than I signed up for.
Wow, so you won't open the door, and now you're letting me out.
will open the door to get you outside.
Wow,
if
honestly,
you want me to.
I think you should, because I at least deserve that for you wasting my time, getting your smell all over me,
You know
making
what?
me sit in this nasty car.
I'm over this. You can get out. Get out of my car.
You know what? Whatever.
Get out of my car.
Excuse me, I'm getting
out. Get out of my car now. Get out of my car. Get out of my car.
Leave me alone.
Get out of my car. Get out of my car. Get out of my car. Get out of my car.
Get a real job. Get a real job. How about that? Get a real job. Bye.
You just took my drink.
Ugh.
Was that mine? All right, guys, that was not a real real ride. That was a skit video, fake video.
Fake.
Guys, by the way, we're making these videos because we think it's fun to make, exaggerated rides. But I have had passengers who say comments like that, who say, "Oh, what else do you do for work?" And I'm like, "Well, this is what I do for money right now." And people, I don't know, treat you badly. So if you do get somebody who treats you badly, don't be afraid to kick them out of your car. You can totally kick someone out of your car at any time if you don't feel comfortable. You don't deserve to have somebody degrade you. I've had it happen to me before. It's not fun at all.
Out.
Or if you want, you can just, turn the other cheek and try not to let it affect you. But this is a draining job when you're driving for Uber and Lyft, because you're going to get people who are really, really nice to you, people who are sad, people who don't talk at all, people who are mean to you. So you're getting up and down all the time. But anyway, Celine, thanks for being in this video. And guys, use the link down below to sign up for Get Upside so you can save money on your gas purchases. Every time you go to the gas station, go to one of the gas stations in the app. I'm going to leave a link down below. Just go, check in, take a picture of your receipt, and get $5 back. $2 back, $3 back. Every time you fill up, you'll get money back. It adds up. You use it, right?
Oh, heck yeah.
Celine uses it. The Rideshare Guy uses it. Harry Campbell, Dustin is Driving uses it. I use it. A lot of YouTubers use it because it gives us money back when we fill up gas. So if you drive for Uber or if you just buy gas, use the link down below. All right, thanks guys for watching. Later.
Bye.